Don't look too bad, but it's not good either. Hi, welcome back. I think tonight, again, I keep it kind of simple. It's midnight, so I don't got very long out here. I do want to take the loop off the driver's side and take this bracing out here. I might flip it around, see if it'll work for this side. And we're gonna kind of clean this area up right here that we cut out yesterday. Need to come on the inside and kind of grind that flange down, see if we can see some spot welds and drill those out. I don't think I'm going to use my spot weld cutter. Just going to take a drill and go right through it because we'll have to weld that to the back of the new piece we put in anyways. And we'll probably take some of this off up here, see if we can see exactly what we need to do, where both pieces kind of come together to this top piece here. And if we make it through all that today, I'll be feeling pretty good. I did make a decision, and I do believe I'm going to take everything out. A lot of you guys hadn't called me back yet, which I didn't leave a message, but I didn't get to call them today, so I'll try again tomorrow. And if they won't, then we'll just do it ourselves, figure it out. I will probably end up buying a different one for the passenger side, just because I don't like how that one's bent. Like I said before, I already bent it, and I think I might have tweaked it a little bit more. I think driver's side pillar that we got will be good. This weekend, probably gonna bring this out and do a lot of grinding on it, because we need to get passenger side ground down. That way it'll be ready for the self-etching primer. I'm excited where it's going. Another thing we might do today is a little bit more welding on this inner rocker here. I know there's been I don't say debate, but people tell me I should just cut it out completely. But I don't know if I'm going to get to back over here. I know this rocker panel goes back into the tub. I don't really want to deal with that if I don't have to. It doesn't look rusted through back here, so I think everything might be good. Probably is good. Rather just do a long stitch weld through here. Plus, it'll give me more welding experience. Other than that, these cats will leave me alone. We'll sit you over here. We'll get started. So let's head over there and get to it. Yeah. First thing we did, took this off. I thought I had to cut it, but as you can tell, I'm surprised this thing actually lifted the Bronco up. This one kind of got in there too well. Not really sure how I'm gonna get it off. I guess I can just keep grinding with the Dremel on the beads until it gets thin enough I can move it, but that's not going anywhere. I could probably hang something off it if I needed to, but we'll have to get that some other time. I don't want to mess with it right now. Thinking that's where I might put this, but you can kind of tell we don't have enough to make it all the way. Maybe. It's just shy a little bit, but got that cut out. And then we're kind of cleaning this up a little bit. I think I actually cut a decent line here. And I saw a crack, tried to weld it, blew it out both sides quite a bit. I just had to grind that down and grind that a little bit, get it flat. And kick panel's coming off, so I had to do all these spot welds. This is staying on. This is still good. So right down here, it's kind of bent in a little bit, but I think we can work with that. All right, a new piece will go to about right here. See where I cut? I'm thinking of just cutting this line back to the bend and folding it up, and then getting my piece that goes in here in there and tacking it, back to this flange here that we got to find the welds on. I'm just going to drill those out, and we'll stitch this here. We have a couple of welds here. Anyways, yeah, I was thinking about flipping this up, keeping this up until we get the kick panel in, because we got spot welds here that we need to get at. There's probably some back in here that I haven't uncovered yet. And of course we have all this through here to take out. But I think I'm gonna leave the pillar on the kick panel this time. Not mess with taking all these off since it's coming out. I'm gonna try to take it out as one piece. And that should save on time too. What else? Of course, floor's coming out. We'll get that little piece of inner rocker. And once we get this off, we'll start cutting the floor out, making patch pieces as we go. And we still need to take all this stuff out too. That doesn't look good, but we'll grind that down a bit. I just want to make sure we get the crack that it doesn't, run anymore. And I think maybe we did, I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, next time we'll look at this, see if we can't find spot welds on it. And if I'm thinking right, let me know. Cut this, bend this back, put the new piece in back here. Of course, weld it, and weld it in. And then this will be ready, like the other side. We ground down our welds. Don't look too bad, but it's not good either. Need to fill that hole in. A few spots need a little bit of weld. Some of these are still a little bit high, like this one, and that one. But they just need a little bit more attention. Get that hopefully looking like just one piece of metal, or close to it. I think that'll do it for me tonight. It's going on 2 o'clock, so I need to get in bed and get ready for work. But we got a little bit more accomplished. Said cut out some stuff, welded up some more stuff, and work more on this next time. If y'all have any suggestions if I should cut that and flip it up, please let me know. That's how I'm gonna go about doing it if nobody says otherwise or has a different idea. But that panel needs to be on top of it, so I gotta cut it out, so it kind of has to, I think. I don't know. We'll get that situated, and hopefully maybe able to actually tack it in, the new piece. Of course, I have to cut it out of the piece of metal here, but anyways, we'll get that in, and then we'll start drilling spot welds out on the kick panel. And we'll just take the pillar off with the kick panel and start cutting out the floor. We got stuff we need to take out too, but if you made it this far, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's gonna be with the Bronco. Thank you again. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. It does mean a lot that you chose to watch me struggle through this, but we got the passenger side, I think, pretty good. I'm gonna do the same thing to the driver's side and hopefully get it pretty good. Anyways, my goal is to have this on the back on the road a couple of years. Be nice, but I don't know. Took me a year to get that passenger side done, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'll see you next time.